Hello and welcome to the topic acronyms as one of the word formation processes. Acronyms. Acronyms are the words which are formed from the initial letters of a set of other words or a sentence. For example, number one, from the initial letters of the words of the phrase North Atlantic Treaty Organization, the word NATO is formed. Take the initial letters N, A, T, O as in NATO. 2. From the initial letters of the words of the sentence IOU, the word IOU is formed. Likewise, number 3, from the initial letters of the words of the sentence I miss you, the word IMY is formed. We move on to the next. Types of acronyms. According to Quirk et al. 1985, there are two main types of acronyms, namely, number 1, acronyms which are pronounced as a word. Number 2, acronyms which are pronounced separately as sequence of letters, also called alphabetisms. We move on to the next. Type 1, acronyms pronounced as a word. Like we have this NASA, the full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. Then we have type 2 acronyms pronounced as sequence of letters. In such examples like VIP, very important person. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigations. Here we have to take note of this. In writing, the more institutionalized formations have no periods between their component letters. No period, no full stop in between. This tendency is especially more common in British English. Acronyms pronounced as sequence of letters. Note, remember that each constituent letter of these acronyms usually represents a full word or just a part of a word, as in the following examples: TB, tuberculosis; TV, television. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.